Here's my latest shop addition. I made a miter sled, or crosscut sled, for my table saw. Got a 1/2 inch MDF sheet as a base. Got a piece of scrap that I glued up for the backstop. A long piece of scrap for the front. Put a piece of T-track. I got 16 feet of T-track on Marketplace for 60 bucks Canadian, which I thought was a good price. So you can use that to add gadgets, like a clamp, so if I want to clamp something upright, or if I want to put in a stop, so I cut to the stop, or I can use my handmade stop also as a clamp. And cut that way. Rests on 2 pieces of hardwood. And I cut down just like so. The alignment of that was actually a bit of a pain in the ass because the hardwood had a kind of knotty section in the center and it warped. But I'll pick a better one next time. Anyways, cuts nice and square, and this will be useful for future shop projects.